Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can buy the Vra, that's the Veracity token, on your Metamask. So first of all, make sure you've got Ethereum on Metamask. And with your Ethereum, all you need to do is simply click on import tokens here and then search tokens, search for VRA, Veracity, scroll down, click on import, and boom, we've imported the Veracity. And your next step is to use the browser icon at the bottom right corner of the screen and head over to the Uniswap exchange or the uniswap.org. And once there, make sure you're on the Ethereum network by using the icon at the top right corner of the screen to select the Ethereum network. And once done, all you need to do is simply search for Vra, VRA, Veracity, click on continue, and now if you were to exchange 0.004, that's $7 worth of Ethereum, would be giving us a really good amount of the VAR, which is 1,500, and as you can see, we're paying $3 worth of gas fees. Now if you want to avoid gas fees such as this, all you need to do is open a centralized exchange like KuCoin. And once you've opened up KuCoin, all you need to do is, by using our link in the description of the video, you get yourself an account, verify, and then you stand a chance to win the bonuses of 3,200 USDT just by signing up with our link. Now, once you've logged on to KuCoin, your next step is to deposit any cryptocurrency asset you currently own. Let's say you've got Ethereum or USDT on the Metamask. You simply send them here, that's you deposit them here, and then simply swap. So we're going to be swapping out the XRP for some of the Vra. So Veracity and USDT, let's go with $7 worth of USDT, which is giving us a good amount of the Vra. Now, from here, all you need to do is simply head over to the assets menu at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once there, scroll to funding, click on this withdraw, search for Vra again, VRA, VR, click on this, and then paste the address. So now you get your address from your MetaMask account. Okay, once MetaMask is opened up, click on this wallet icon, click on Veracity, copy your contract address, copy your wallet address, copy, minimize, open up KuCoin, paste the address there, and it's going on the ERC20 network, and you can simply send your Veracity there. So guys, do comment down below if you've got any questions concerning how we can buy the Veracity on our MetaMask, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.